Hello. Analytical service in touch GURU.Markets. Thank you very much for helping our project. Help forms can be found in the description. Dear viewer, please give this video a royal like. Your like is extremely important for spreading the project GURU.Markets. We will compare the company's current fundamentals Vipshop Holdings Ltd ADR, ticker VIPS. The review was made using current information as of April 26, 2024. According to classification GURU.Markets company Vipshop Holdings Ltd ADR belongs to the subcategory Delivery. 59 companies take part in the comparison, and this is very representative. We start with general information about the corporation. A little further we will consider each parameter in more detail. If you want, you can pause it. You can consider each indicator of the organization under study more carefully. Access to the table with the classification of company tickers is free. Please disseminate the analysis of the action on your social networks. Thank you very much for your repost and other help, we really need it. Market capitalization of the company Vipshop Holdings Ltd ADR is $7.31 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $2,492 billion. Vipshop Holdings Ltd ADR has a share of 0.293% and is one of the very small companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is estimated at $4.46 billion. The subcategory's balance sheet capitalization is $455 billion. Vipshop Holdings Ltd ADR constitutes a share of 0.979%. Having compared the shares of market and book value, we will see the following. Share Vipshop Holdings Ltd ADR in a subcategory when assessing market value is 0.293%. The book value is 0.979%. This is 234% more than the share of the exchange value. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory. Good, 1 point. Overall company assessment Vipshop Holdings Ltd ADR will be presented towards the end of the video. Please look at the logic of the analysis to the end. The debts of the organization under study amount to $0.268 billion. Debt to book value represents 6% of the company's equity. Result on the company's debt level, very good, 2 points. The ratio of the company's stock price to its earnings is 7.7. With an average in the subcategory of 41.9, this is 82% lower than in the subcategory. Estimation of market value to its profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $1,146 million. Future earnings for the coming 12 months are tentatively expected to be $1,419 million. Which is 23.8% more than at the current moment. An assessment of the projected future profit indicator in comparison within the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's price-to-revenue ratio is 0.5. The average in the subcategory is 2.4, and this is 79% lower than in the subcategory. Assessment of the company's market value to its revenue in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $15,930 million. Future revenue for the coming 12 months is tentatively expected to be $19,730 million. And this is 24% more than now. Assessment of projected future sales performance in comparison with the performance of subcategory companies. Good, 0.5 points. If you are interested in this analytics, please subscribe to our analytics and click on the bell. The sales margin is 7.2%, with an average in the subcategory of 5.6%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 1.6%. Assessment of sales margins in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of employees in the subcategory is 0.559%. This is a 91% increase in market capitalization share. And this fact reflects the discrepancy between the organization's market price Vipshop Holdings Ltd ADR, probably towards underestimation. The amount of capital per employee of the organization is $499,000. Whereas in the subcategory there are $951,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 47.5%. Estimation of the volume of market capital per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit for each employee of the company is $78,300. With an average for the subcategory of $22,700. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 244%. Estimation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. Revenue per individual employee of the company is $1,089,000. In the subcategory $403,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 170%. Estimation of revenue per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. Short shares correspond to 2%, with an average for the subcategory of 4.5%. This is an indicator of a possible short squeeze. Indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 41% for the company Vipshop Holdings Ltd ADR. Whereas for the subcategory this level is 46%. Technically, subcategory shares are valued the same as shares Vipshop Holdings Ltd ADR. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Vipshop Holdings Ltd ADR and subcategory companies. We see that over 12 months the promotion's Vipshop Holdings Ltd ADR showed a change of 12.4%. Against price dynamics in the subcategory of 5.7%. This does not clearly indicate anything, but it is necessary to take note of this fact. Before showing the final score, please leave a rating Vipshop Holdings Ltd ADR in the comments to this security assessment. The overall result is 9 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is 0.2 points. If you look very broadly, within the stock market in general, we see that the average result for the stock market in the aggregate is 0.3 points. Against a 9-point rating for the company Vipshop Holdings Ltd ADR. Let's look at the order table, it is available. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all publicly made decisions by the information system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in pinned comment. Based on the company's assessment, Vipshop Holdings Ltd ADR. Information and Reference Assessment System GURU.Markets. The decision was made. Open a deal for a reason. Vipshop Holdings Ltd ADR, one of the most undervalued companies in the subcategory. It should be recalled that on April 1, 2024, the order was published. Company ticker BABA. Information and Reference System for Stock Valuation GURU.Markets. The following decision was made on this order. Close the order. Profit was 3.8%. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information system GURU.Markets. You are the coolest audience on the planet.